So today we're going to learn how to install swing arm rear spools.
But how's my bike?
These are swing arm spools. They're made to go in your rear, of course, where your swing arm is. And we are going to install them now. It'll take seconds. So here is how you do it. Alright, these are my 8mm spools. We are going to be installing them on a 2017 GSXR-750. We are going to be using a 6mm Allen key. So we just literally put them in the hole like that. And there are already holes here in the swing arm. I didn't take out any extra screws, so there's already one there. Start screwing it in by hand. Just start it. And then the rest of your threading done by the key. And it's gonna get tight, and then you just do a little bit more tight. That's it. Boom. That easy. So let's do the other side now. So here's your other side. The hole is right there. It's right underneath the exhaust pipe. Alright, there we go. They're all installed. That side, that side. So this is a rear stand, and this one actually comes with a dual option of either having spools, rear spools, or this is just for your swing arm. But we are going to be switching it to the fork side, which will be for the swing arm spools. This is a good way to lube your chain. You can spin it and spray the lube on it at the same time to keep a constant flow. Here's your master link, so you can use that as a point of where you start spraying. You just spin it, spin it. This is where you would change your oil from. This is the nut that you would loosen up. You can slide your oil pan in here, and you have more of a clearance to loosen your bolt and let the oil drain out. Now it's best to do this with two people, but if you're by yourself, you can do it by yourself. Just get a good grip. You're gonna let it down slowly and lean it towards your kickstand. Very carefully. And then pull out your kickstand or your rear stand.